HAZY 710.
All right. HAZY, you got one there?
Yes. So this is HAZY 710 from Sweetwater. What is the ABV on this one?
That's a 6.2.
And IBUs, does it tell you? I've had this, I know I've had this one on flight somewhere. No, it doesn't. That's okay. It's a HAZY 710 by Sweetwater. This is a good one. I think I've actually had this before. Welcome to another episode of Tap That. I am Allierae, and today nothing fits my brand more than hockey and beer. And today we are at Bolt Fest. This is a beer fest that's put on by the Tampa Bay Lightning, and it is here in Amalie Arena in Tampa. I couldn't be more excited. We're going to try so many amazing beers today. So let's go. I'll show you around. Right now I'm going to try Sweetwater Brewing, which they make an amazing IPA. It's called 420, which is very good. This is called, okay, I'm a little bit flustered. This is called HAZY 710. It is 6.2% ABV, and it looks like a hazy, and my hands are dripping. We film in the moment here, is how we do things. I don't know, it's very, very hoppy, like over the top hoppy. I don't really like it. It's not terrible, but I don't really like it. 2.6. This is the way I feel. It's just, it doesn't meet my standards. I don't know. It's kind of medicine cabinet. A little bit.